This animal we'd been trying to locate for 2 days. It had been seen, periodically showing up in one area and traveling a lot of ground. And they were able to put a satellite tag on the trailing gear, which was really important because then we knew where the animal was, and they were able to stay with the animal, able to get myself and my team there. So when we saw the animal and we realized, oh my gosh, it's not just one animal, it had 3 companion animals with it. So we were like, wow, this is something that we've never encountered. We worked for 4 or 5 hours on this animal and methodically kind of went through, and again, with having 3 other animals with this animal, it was quite challenging. First of all, we throw up a drone. We always get a gear configuration just to make sure it's safe, and we really want to make sure if we're making cuts, we're making the right cuts, because if you make the wrong cut, the animal can be in worse shape and we can't get another working line on. We put a little bit additional drag on that buoy line that had the line going through the mouth. And the animal, which was just magnificent, we put this drag on and we were going to work up further, but the animal sensed that little bit of drag, and it did kind of basically a spy hop and a backflip. And all the gear came flying out, and the animal took off with its companion animals, and we were able to follow it with the drone and just confirm the animal was gear free. And it was very energetic after it took off, and it must have felt a sense of relief with not all that drag on it. So it was just the team was overwhelmed with just happiness. It was just amazing. And again, this only was successful because people called it in multiple times, and we were able to keep on top of that and eventually find the animal.